What's up, everybody? It's almost the end of the day here, but I think I might be able to fit in a Revival Tech Tip Tuesday. So, for today, I thought it'd be a good one if we went over how to set up a 4-digit passcode as opposed to a 6-digit passcode on your iPhone. Now, if you want to be more secure, a 6-digit passcode is practically impossible to hack through, where a 4-digit passcode is technically possible. But most of us don't really need that much security, so like, hey man, screw it, 2 less digits every time I have to type that in, that's way easier, right? All we gotta do, especially if you already have a 6-digit passcode set up, is go ahead and fire up settings. Let's go down here to Touch ID and Passcode, and hopefully you do not just use all zeros or all of the same thing, because yeah, that's a little insecure. What's the point of it? But let's go to Change Passcode. I'm not sure if you can put the same passcode in again, so you might need to change it to something and then change it back. But we just put in the old passcode, and now we're presented with this option down here, right above the numbers, Passcode Options. Let's go ahead and click on that, and hey look, right there it is, 4-digit numeric code. Yeah, that means 4-digit passcode. Let's go ahead and click that, and now it knocks off 2 of those options. Now we can go ahead and set the old password using 0000. It's like, hey dummy, don't do that, but you know, we're gonna use that anyway. Highly recommend against that. Let's go ahead and set 000 again, 0. And now, boom boom, we have got our, oh, I used my thumb. Hold on. Let's use a finger I don't have. Okay. And then we have our 4-digit passcode. All right. It was that easy. If you change your mind and you want to do the 6-digit passcode again, you do the same thing, but select 6-digit or 6 numeric or whatever it is. You do the same thing and hit 6 digits. So, hopefully that was helpful. And if you got any other ideas of things that you're trying to figure out and you would like to know how Revival Tech do, shoot me a comment below. Drop me a message on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok, or LinkedIn, or wherever. We're pretty much everywhere. We got live chat on the website too. But drop me a comment below. Let me know if you like this and what would your desired tip be, because I'm just here to try and help you. Have a great day, everybody, and see you in the next one.